I'm excited to show you the easiest and best method for making low-carb pizza on a tortilla in an air fryer. I'm sharing a simple hack for a perfectly crispy tortilla to hold your favorite pizza toppings. Then we're adding our pizza sauce, toppings, and cheese and air frying it until the cheese is bubbly and lightly toasted. This is the perfect way to enjoy healthy personal pizzas on pizza night or anytime you're having a pizza craving. When it comes to air frying your tortilla, you have two options. You can add your sauce and ingredients to your tortilla and then put it into your air fryer and bake it for about 4 minutes, and it will melt all your cheese, but the tortilla will still be a little bit soft underneath and doesn't really hold its shape. So a really easy hack for making sure that it's nice and crispy and can hold all those delicious toppings is to air fry it first until it is slightly crispy. Then we add our toppings and then we air fry it again until the cheese is bubbly and toasted. When it comes to tortillas, flour tortillas work best, but you could use wheat flour or gluten-free or whatever your preference. And I found that this 8-inch soft taco size fits really well into my air fryer. Now, depending on how strong the air blows inside your air fryer, it can easily blow your tortilla to the side of the basket. So a really easy hack for keeping the tortilla in place is just to use an oven-safe little bowl or other object from your kitchen. I have this little glass bowl that I'm going to set right in the middle of my tortilla, and that will keep it in place while it becomes nice and crispy. I'm going to put my tortilla into my air fryer at 385 degrees and set it for 4 minutes. And then halfway through, I'm going to move my little bowl to the side so that the center can get nice and crispy. Well, it's been 2 minutes and I can see that my tortilla is starting to get a little bit crispy. So I'm just going to flip it over and then I'll move my little bowl to a different spot. And I'll put it back into the air fryer and let it continue to cook. All right, well, our 4 minutes are up. Carefully take out our little glass bowl and our tortilla that is now lightly crispy. And now we get to add on our toppings. And I'm going to start with my sauce, and I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of some pizza sauce, but you could use tomato paste or marinara sauce or whatever you like. And I'm going to push it out so it's almost to the edge. Now, if the blower inside your air fryer is pretty strong like mine is, if we put our pepperoni pieces on top, they will most likely get blown off of our pizza as soon as we turn it on. So I have found that it works best to go ahead and just put our pepperonis on next, and they're going to be underneath our cheese. And I'm just using some turkey pepperoni because it's one of my favorites. Then I'm just going to add some cooked ground beef, which will make it more of a meat lover's pizza. And a few olives because they make everything taste better. And then I can add my cheese, and I'm just using some mozzarella cheese just because it melts really well and is delicious. But you can use any shredded melted cheese that you like. And then I'm going to very carefully lower this back into our basket, and then this is ready to go back into the air fryer for another 3 or 4 minutes at 385 degrees. But we're going to keep an eye on it because we just want that cheese to get bubbly and lightly toasted. Wow. Well, it's been about 3.5 minutes and I have a little window on my air fryer. So I was able to look inside and see that our cheese is just starting to toast on top. So this is perfect. So now we can very carefully lift it out of our basket and onto our cutting board. That is so cute and looks so good. We'll pull out our pizza cutter, make our slices. You can hear that nice crispy tortilla underneath. And then you can decide if this is going to be your own personal pizza or if you're going to share. Blowing it so it's not too hot. That is so good. That has all the flavor of a traditional pizza and is so satisfying. I love how a tortilla is just perfectly toasted to hold all the ingredients, but still nice and soft to the bite. It's the perfect size for everyone to be able to make their own pizza and stack it up exactly the way they like it. And I love that you can customize this with any flour tortilla you like that meets your dietary needs. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to the full recipe and instructions, and it's in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.